Oh, here I'm on my balcony watching Kevin pull out of his parking space. There he goes! He's waving. Hey! Okay. Oh gosh, I actually opened up the balcony. Here he goes. He's going to park out back. And then he's got to carry our stuff in the back way. There he goes. Wow. The river and the lift bridge. So cool. Woo! Here's our room. It's so pretty. Ooh, nice and cozy and warm too. And there's Kevin parking the car. I'll go back out.